This is my February 2021 allotment plot tour. I'm Kimmy and this is Kimmy's Kitchen and Garden. I've just cleaned the table. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. And cleaned them chairs. This has now got raspberries in. Still got one row to do of autumn fruit and raspberries, but it's got the summer fruit and raspberries in. And this is the strawberry tower that I've been slowly filling up. Still got all that to do. I've got the veg in one bed here now. Got some chives planted here. And some thyme I've planted here. I've had it covered when it's been cold because it only just got planted. Looks like it's surviving well. Everything pretty much looks the same here apart from the sun is out. Garlics grew a bit more. Purple sprouting broccoli. Only one of them sprouting. And the rest hasn't quite managed it yet. This is my carrot bed that we've moved here. It took a lot of effort. My brother Karl helped me. We had to take it apart to do it, which was good because some of it was rotten and we had to redo it. And I've got a little section here I can just fit through to reach to this side. Hi Casper. This one I've just took all the old sweet corn out and the blackcurrant bush is moved at the top along with the globe artichoke. Oh, the globe artichoke's a bit too close to the bin. Is he sunbathing, is he? On my bed. That's the globe artichoke I moved, where the raspberries are now. Hopefully it'll survive. And this now has 3 small raised beds, which are really wonky. And that's where the polytunnel's going to go. And there's rhubarb at the back, along with some tayberries. Still need to do a bit of weeding there. And that's it for my February plot tour. There's been a few changes with lots of raised beds around. and it's sunny for a change. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye! Bye! Look, you sniffing? It's Casper in his favourite place. Are you going to finish putting all the soil in for me? Thank you.